Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. Today we will be learning how you can use the init method in a class, what are its uses, and how it can be helpful in building a class. So let's get started. So first of all, we will create a class named car, and while building the class, the first method that everyone usually builds is the init method, which is used for initialization, or it can be also considered as a constructor in other languages. It is used to initialize the variables that are provided to the class while its initialization step. So let's write the init method. It's written as double underscore init double underscore, and here we provide the closing parenthesis. And one thing everyone should note that the class functions usually take self as the first parameter. Every class methods will take the self as a first parameter, since self usually denotes that it is the current instance of the given class. So after that we'll be passing the variables that we want to provide to the class. So let's provide name and color maybe. So name and color are the two properties that we want to associate with the car. So the next step will be having a initialization step like self.name is equals to name. So this statement over here denotes that the name variable which comes from the initialization will be set to the current instance of the class. The self keyword makes sure that the current instance is set. So this statement helps in setting the current instance like self.name is equals to name and self.color is equals to color. So here we have used the init method. So initialization is done. So let's create another method for proper demonstration. Maybe have go fast or something like that. This also takes self, and let's just print it. We'll use f string. So here let's provide self.name goes fast. This is just a method that prints out a line by taking the name property of the class with the current instance. So let's go ahead and create some objects. Car1 is equals to car. So if we didn't have the init method, then our default constructor would be sufficient without passing any arguments. But since we have two arguments over here, name and color, then we need to pass over here. So name maybe Chevy and color red. Let's create another object and provide the car name as Bugatti and color maybe black. So here two objects have been created of the car providing these instance variables. Now let us call the go fast method of these two objects, car1 dot go fast and car2 dot go fast. So as you can see, we have created two objects over here and then called two methods, the same method but on different objects, to visualize how it is getting the name and color is getting set over here. So if you run this, as you can see, so this has printed Chevy goes fast and Bugatti goes fast. So how it happened? Like after we have set the Chevy and red, we passed in the Chevy in the name and red in the color variable. It got set in the init method, and after that, on the Chevy instance, it called itself when we called the go fast method. the Chevy got set over here, and Chevy goes fast got print, and then in the next one, car 2, the similar process happened. So this is the process how init is used for initialization, and it works as a constructor. In different languages like Java and C++, they use the same constructor method, and they use this keyword for setting the instance. Here we use self. You can use anything, but self is generally considered in a Pythonic way. So in this video you learned about the init method and how it works as a constructor. It's really simple and easy. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.